Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are learning Excel. If you are a beginner, so let's learn Excel step by step with data making and data analysis programs. So let's begin. So this is what Excel looks like. So we are gonna learn Excel basic. So the first basic is workbook. So workbook is called the whole Excel. You can say the whole Excel. So workbook is, why do we call it workbook? Can't we call it another word? So why do we call workbook? Because I'm working in Excel and it's like a book because we can add more Excels. There's one Excel but there's lot of blank like this. So let's go to step 2. Step 2 is worksheet. This is sheet 1, you can see on the screen sheet 1. So sheet 1 is called a worksheet because I'm working in sheet 1 right now. I'm writing something and it's a sheet. You can see the clear sheet 1. So we don't write 1 because there are different types of, not only 1. They're different, 2, 3 and etc etc etc. So then third is cell. You can clearly see that I am placed over here. Well, all of this, Control A, when I press Control A, it selects all it. So it is also cells are selected. This is also selected. It looks like it's not selected, but it's also selected. It may happen in your system too, but it's selected. You can try it if you want. So let's move to step 4. Step 4 is a cell. You can, a row. Row and column. This one. Row is like this, 1, 2, 3, and column is like A, B, C, D. Now let's move to step 6. Step 6 is a active cell. Like I'm clicking at this cell. You may understand the cell. So when I'm clicking at this cell is active and it's also a cell. So we call it a active cell. You get it now? Let's move to step 6. Step 6 is cell address slash reference. So, cell address is a location of a cell like B2. You can clearly see B2 here. I'll zoom it for you if you want. B. Here's B. You can see B. You can touch it B, but yes, B. And here is 2. So, first goes alphabet, then number. This is the main reason. You can clearly see here B2. I'm not wrong. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comments box. I can every time help you if you want. So let's move to step. But reference is also same as cell address. Why do we call it cell address? Because it's a cell and we're telling it address. Like if you live in Hinu, Karachi, India, somewhere in Hinu, but in Hinu. So you are telling your address. So this is the address of B2. Now let's move to step 7. So step 7 is a range. You could see I'm clicking one cell. When I selected this cell, oh my god, it's a lot. It's still B2. Yes, you understand this thing. Did it? If you have any doubts, you don't get my word, then you can comment in the comment box. Here it's like this. You could see this. So I have selected a range, a group of cells. Now let's move to step 8. It's a ribbon. The toolbar on the top with home, insert, etc. Home, insert, draw. Draw will be this file is not in you. It's different. When I click file, it appears. This is HP Pro version. It's different. I will give different videos. You can clearly do in your system. Just a little different. Draw is not your system going to type. Okay, let's go to step 8. Yes, ribbon. This home, insert, draw, page layout, and etc. etc. So now let's move to step 9. It's formula bar. When let's write something at this cell. So at this cell, I'm writing like and comment. I wrote like and comment. So when I click here, this shows I wrote like and comment. So this is the formula bar. Like if I write equal to sum, then it's telling me. Like you can see sum is the formula. You will not get it right now. Let's go to the last. So the last one is status bar, like average, count, sum. These ones. I'm talking about these ones. You could, this is a different system, but here, right here, these 3 symbols, these symbols would be not there, but instead of them, there must be some written average, count, and sum. So we are done. So if you understand this, So please like and share to my channel. And if you want the next part of Excel, so you must go in the description box of my channel and you can see my description. So that's part 2. I'll say your name and you can search in my channel anywhere, or if you want the video, its description name is part 2 Excel starting. So bye, thank you for watching.